Over the years, my friends, I have been searching long and hard for the perfect outdoor seating option, something that checked every single box. I've been looking for something that makes sense to carry when you're out for a backpacking trip, and I've looked at a number of options, those that are very expensive to those that are very inexpensive. With all of the testing that I've done, I have yet to find the perfect option. Maybe that changes today. Up until this point, there's always something that's wrong, right? Maybe it's a little bit too heavy, a little bit too bulky, maybe it's plain and simple too expensive. That is what makes this product here so interesting. There's a chance that this checks every single box, and that's because this is different, folks. This is ultra light, ultra strong, made with high-end materials, and get this, it's inexpensive. A viewer named Brad told me about this product. I looked it up and I was very impressed with what I saw. So I placed my order, here it is, and that's what this episode is all about. My name is Luke, this is the Outdoor Gear Review. Thank you so much for tuning in. Everyone, let's focus on the Miss Snaily, or maybe it's M. Snaily. Let's focus on this ultralight chair. Let's see what this is all about. What we have here is the storage bag for this chair. We have a grab handle here, a grab handle here. On the back side, we have two loops so you can attach this to a backpack or something like that. To open this up, we have a single zipper. And here we have the chair itself. We have the seat. And here we have the frame system. Also included, it's a little pamphlet going over information concerning this product. I want you all to pay close attention to the frame system here because it is quite special. This is made from carbon fiber, incredibly strong, very low weight carbon fiber. Now everyone, I want you all to pay close attention to the seat material because this is made with an ultralight, ultra strong Dyneema. That's right everyone, this chair is made from the most advanced high-tech, high-end materials available today, but yet it is really inexpensive. Let's go ahead and put this together. This should set up the exact same way that 99.9% of camping chairs set up. Setting up this chair is exactly the same as setting up, again, 99% of folding camp chairs. It's the exact same process. The one thing that really stands out to me while putting the frame together was how large it was. I can tell you all, now that I'm sitting in this chair, that it is quite a bit larger than your typical folding camp chair. It is certainly wider and a little bit deeper. The frame nor the seating material bite into your legs. You can lean forward. There's no discomfort there. You can lean back. And this is indeed comfortable. This is a nice chair, everyone. The one thing that I notice is that this material is a little bit slick, right? So if I go to sit up like this, I have to use my feet to hold me here because if I take my feet up, I will slide just a little bit. The natural seating position is definitely more reclined than sitting up. Luckily, you can do both. Something else, this chair has built-in anti-sink feet. So even on this soft soil, the feet are not sinking into the ground, and that is greatly appreciated. I mentioned at the beginning of this episode that I've been searching for a seating product that checks all of the boxes. Let me go ahead and take a second and talk about those boxes. When it comes to a chair, a stool for backpacking purposes, you have to consider the following points. The first point is weight. If it's too heavy, you're not going to carry the chair or the stool with you. Next, pack size. If it takes up too much space inside of your backpack, again, you're not likely to take it with you. Next, we have cost. If something's too expensive, people aren't likely to buy it. And lastly, there's comfort. The chair, the stool, the seating option, it has to be comfortable. Otherwise, why take it with you? These are the 4 big points that you have to consider before you purchase a seating product. For myself here in Western North Carolina, this is a rainforest. Everything is wet all the time, and that's why I like bringing a seating option with me. I don't have to sit on a wet stump or a wet log or a wet rock. I'd much rather bring a seating option with me and not have to fool with any of that stuff. Considering those points over the years with all of the products that I've tested, There's always been some sort of hiccup. There's one box that was not checked, right? Maybe the chair or the stool is too heavy, or it takes up too much space, or it's too expensive, or it's simply uncomfortable. That is why I've been searching for the ultimate seating option. And with this chair here, everybody, we may have found it. Or I guess I should say, Brad, he may have found it. This is the very first ultralight solution that I've come across that checks every single box. Yes, it's ultralight. 2, it's ultra strong. It's very comfortable. The quality is great. Also, the price on this makes a lot of sense. This is especially true when you compare this to the offerings from the big companies like Big Agnes, Helinox, Nemo. Speaking of Nemo, Nemo has the Moonlander chair, which is an ultralight seating option, and get this, it is $130 more expensive than this here, but yet the weights are almost identical. With this chair, you can find this in one color, and that is black. We have a carbon fiber frame, Dyneema fabric, nylon resin connection points, and when it's stored, it measures 17 inches by 5 inches. When it's set up, it stands 26 inches tall. It is 22.5 inches wide, and it has a depth of 21 inches. The weight of this chair is 1 pound 9 ounces. With the storage bag, it is 1 pound 12 ounces. This can support 330 pounds, which is extremely high for a folding camp chair. And the cost of this is $62. One of the most important questions about this chair is in regards to quality. How good is the quality? Well, everyone, the quality here is excellent. I am not seeing a single loose thread. I did notice a loose thread on the storage bag, but that's no big deal. Outside of that, this looks excellent. Concerning the storage bag, I am glad to say that it is oversized. It was designed so that you can easily get the chair out of it and also back into it. I really dislike the practice where companies go with really small storage bags so that the overall weight looks good on paper. But yet, trying to get the product back into that storage bag is extremely difficult. That's irritating. With this chair here, we don't have to worry about that because the storage bag was well designed. Is this ultralight? Absolutely. Even with the storage bag, this entire setup here is super, super light. That's impressive for numerous reasons. 1, the price is low. 2, this is a little bit oversized. This is larger than your typical folding camp chair, but yet it is very lightweight. There's a company, they're known as Helinox. They have the Helinox Zero. That chair costs $150, and it's virtually the same weight as this, but yet it is a whole lot smaller. This weighs 1.5 pounds, and it's only $62. The Helinox Zero is 1.1 pounds, and that's $150. Another huge positive for this chair is the weight limit. This is going to work for the vast majority of individuals, and the weight limit, I should mention, is above average. When you take a look at your typical folding camp chair, the weight limit is around 220 pounds. This is 330. So far, this seems to be very comfortable. Naturally, I've only sat in this for a few minutes. Basically, this is a preview. I wanted to get this out there before I began testing it out. Speaking of which, I'll be doing my first trip out. It's a backpacking trip with this chair later on this week, and I cannot wait. With that being said, so far as comfort goes, this is excellent. Easily an 8 or a 9 out of 10. One thing that I love about the design of this chair is that it's very simple. There's nothing here that doesn't belong here. This is a chair, nothing more. There's no useless pockets, nothing like that. But yet, it has the features that you truly want and truly need. Most people don't use the integrated pockets. That's especially true because most of the time, they're unusable. They're so small, so tight, they just don't make any sense. With this chair, you don't have to worry about that because there's no pockets. But what you do have are anti-sink feet that are included. This chair is $62. It's oversized, ultralight, incredibly strong, high-end materials, and it includes anti-sink feet for free. This boils down to an excellent value for what you're getting, as long as this chair holds up with use. In the future, when I'm done testing out this chair, I will put up my full review, my full agenda-free review. Setting up this chair is very simple. Breaking it down is very simple. And as far as cons go, negatives go, there's nothing to say at this time. This chair looks really, really good. On paper, this is very impressive. when you're holding this, it's even more so. The fact that this company has been able to manufacture this and sell this at such a low price is unbelievable to me. This chair is made from ultra high-end materials and it's only 62 bucks. That is mind-blowing. And with that being said, I want to hear from you all. What do you all think about this chair? Comment down below. What do you all think about the weight? What do you all think about the materials? Dyneema fabric, carbon fiber frame. This even includes anti-sink feet, all for $62. This is oversized, can handle 330 pounds, but yet only weighs 1 pound 9 ounces. Again, everyone, this is going into testing now, and in the future I will have my full review put up, my full agenda-free review. Brad, my friend, thank you so much for telling me about this chair. I am just as impressed with it as you are. Until next time, everyone, take care, strength and honor. Bye for now.